Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck with today's quick tip. If you're still wiring your roses, I need you to stop. It's a new generation of roses. The breeders out there are developing roses with stronger necks, higher petal counts, and longer vase life. The flowers open up much larger and hold. So in the myth of them getting soft right away and thinking that they're going to expire, that is not true anymore. So the breeders have done a really good job at developing new colors and new varieties. Imagine if you stuck a wire into your neck like you would in the neck of a rose. It's a foreign object. It's not going to extend the life of a flower. It's actually going to hurt it. So please abandon those old ways and embrace the new varieties. This is a new variety called Cotton Expression. It's one of my favorites. It has more of a ruffly appearance. You can see that it has high petal count, has a strong neck, and it'll open up to a beautiful rose, and it holds. Another new variety that we just started carrying is called Pia Cherry. It's a mauve color rose. So you can see they're developing new colors and new varieties. Another new variety, and this is more of like a garden-like rose. So it has that more unique appearance. This is Coral Expression, and it actually has like a green eye in the middle. Sometimes it'll open up that bar, and it's really more of a unique looking rose. Of course, we do have a lot more availability of garden roses, and garden roses have that ability where they open up, you see a little bit more of the center, and they're bringing fragrance back. So they've bred them so that they have a lot stronger smell. So you can embrace those garden roses. They're a little bit more expensive, so I always tell people to put money on top. So I'm gonna put the garden roses right where you can touch and see them, and then use the variety of other roses to support them. So please abandon those old ways and take advantage of letting these roses stand on their own.